Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to soften the floors in your living room, or perhaps you need to cover that dingy old carpet? Well, one thing that really helps is a rug. Well, this rug by CRYPTOLITE I have found has been really enjoyable in our home. It is vibrant and we love the colors of this midnight black. I have the 9x12 area rug, and this vintage floral rug is beautiful but incredibly soft. The backing is non-slip, so one thing I noticed is it stays flat to the ground with very tightly woven edges, so that is important for longevity, for having around in the home for a long time, and having a great rug that doesn't tear or fray. This rug also does not pile, so there's no constant need for readjusting. Even in high traffic areas, it stays nicely flat to the ground. I really appreciate that it hides crumbs well, but it is also easy to clean with a vacuum because it is low pile. I have had different experiences with high pile rugs and they're a little more tricky to clean. So this one, I have no issues with that. You could also wash it in your washing machine depending on the size. This is a very densely piled, low pile rug, and it's fade resistant. The colors really stand out and do a great job of making our room look clean and unique. It was a nice option for my daughter, really giving her that appeal, adding to the decor in her room and making it inviting. So as far as rugs are concerned, this checks all of our boxes and we are thrilled. We love it, but that's just our point of view.